So much of New Orleans music can be considered social music, meaning music is played for the purpose of getting people together and having a good time. Here in New Orleans, we say, laissez les bon temps rouler, which means let the good times roll. In the same social nature, let's take a song you may already know, and let's see if we can't borrow a few plays from the New Orleans Brass Band Songbook to funk it up a bit. I wonder, does anyone recognize this melody? Any guesses? That's right, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Originally a French folk song that European composer Amadeus Wolfgang Mozart helped popularize. This melody is traditionally performed in a classical style and emphasizes beats 1 and 3. African American and Creole musicians were some of the first musicians in America to flip the beat from beats 1 and 3 to 2 and 4, which changes the way the music feels. Let's see what Twinkle Twinkle sounds and feels like if we emphasize beats 2 and 4 instead of 1 and 3.